Hello from the Tapscott Learning Trust. In this short video, I'm going to explain how you can easily help your child to develop their vocabulary to describe the world around them. It is important to be able to describe what we experience and what we want. By learning to describe things really well, children can express their ideas and ambitions clearly and make sure that other people understand what they mean. Let's look at this more closely. The words we use to name things like places, people, food, feelings and objects, these are called nouns, and there is another video about this that you can watch. Now, we normally describe places, people, food, feelings and different events using words called adjectives, and when you describe something, you can use one or more adjectives. If you look at the bottom picture, you can see that three of the children are wearing t-shirts. One is wearing a brown t-shirt, one a white t-shirt, and another a pink t-shirt. Colours are a way of describing something, and they are all adjectives or describing words. The first step is to teach your child the name of things or nouns. This can be done while you're at home or while you're out. You can point to different things and say the name of them. For example, bus, road, or lights. Your child will begin to copy you and try to say the name of these things, imitating you. You could then, after a while, begin to add an adjective when you talk about things to your child. For example, if you imagine that you are walking down this street, you might point out the red bus, or the round pink lights, or the tall grey buildings. The more you talk about the world, what you see and what you think, the more words your child will learn. As your child gets older, or they learn more words, you can ask them to start to describe things to you. You could ask them questions such as, what was your school dinner like? And then encourage them to use more than one adjective to describe their dinner. These three meals all look different from each other, and they probably taste different as well. How would you describe each of these three different meals? Tasty or tasteless? Colourful or boring? Hot or cold? Healthy or unhealthy? There are so many different ways that you and your child could describe these meals. Reading is a really fantastic way of developing your child's vocabulary and for them to learn new words, including new adjectives. Reading regularly to your child and encouraging them to read books will really help them to develop both their speaking and their writing. When your child is writing something, like a story or a letter, encourage them to describe things by using interesting adjectives. Ask them, what is it like? What does it look like? What does it smell like? What sounds could I hear? How does it feel? How would you describe the taste? Get them to think about their senses. You can use pictures and photographs like the one here of the beach to stimulate your child's imagination and to give them ideas about what they might describe and how they might describe it. I hope this video has helped you to understand what adjectives are, why we use them, and how you can support your child to be better at using them to describe the world around them.